Uh, Today we'll be unboxing the PowerPack Smart Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. The Smart PowerPack Vacuum Cleaner goes with the remote control, and it has a 50 minutes non-stop feature, and of course we have a low noise level. It won't disturb you. Okay, so going to the unboxing stage. So we have our PowerPack vacuum cleaner over here. So hard to get the vacuum. Okay, so we have the package over here. Got the PowerPack remote control. You have the respond, focus, random, start and pause, and we have the automatic button here. Next we have the PowerPack charger. We have the charger over here. You have the 3-prong plug for the charger. You have a 2-prong, you need an adapter. Okay. Next we have the 2-piece of sweeper. We have this one for the left and one for the right sweeper. And we'll show you later where we will be attaching this to the PowerPack. So next we have the PowerPack vacuum cleaner. So we have this one, and of course you must remove the tape before using. As indicated here, we have 2 tapes here, and this is the bottom part of the PowerPack. And going to the side, we have the on and off switch, and of course the charging port over here. And this is the place where we put the left and right sweepers over here. Okay, so next on the package we have the owner's instruction manual, or the brochure. Then of course we have the warranty card from PowerPack. Okay, so there we go. It's your robotic vacuum cleaner by PowerPack Smart Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Thanks guys.